What is this tube sticking out of my roof? I'm not sure what kind of vent this is for, but I'm wondering if it's supposed to have a cap to protect from rain. Sorry for lack of description. I'm completely ignorant to whatever this is. If it helps at all, I have 2 turbines on my house plus this pipe. So I know it's not for venting the attic. My guess is it's for the bathroom vents maybe. Question from user Hack3RFX at Stack Exchange. Answer: almost certainly a vent for plumbing. It connects to the sewer, so it doesn't need a cap. It's highly likely there's a sink or other fixture nearly below it. Answer from user Aloysius Defenestrate at StackExchange.com.